Hello everyone and welcome back on the channel. In this video, we will show you how to remove your laptop's BIOS password without opening the device or removing the CMOS battery. We will guide you through the entire unlocking process step by step using a simple master password method. If you found video helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. First, restart your laptop and try to enter your BIOS. Go ahead and enter the wrong password 3 times intentionally. Once you do this, you will see a message saying the system is disabled or enter an unlock password. Select the option to enter an unlock password, which will reveal a unique challenge code on your screen. Write this challenge code down carefully, as we will need it for the next step. Keep in mind that this process is for educational purposes, and you should only perform this on a laptop that you rightfully own. Next, grab your phone or another computer, open any web browser, and go to bi-osspw.org. This is a free website that generates master passwords for various laptop brands. Type the challenge code you just wrote down into the website's search bar and click the button to get your password. The site will display a list of master passwords, so just select the one that perfectly matches your specific laptop brand, such as Acer or HP. Now, return to your locked laptop's BIOS screen. Instead of trying your old forgotten password, type in the new master password you just generated from the website and press enter. If done correctly, your laptop should unlock immediately, granting you full access to your BIOS settings once again. Once you are inside the BIOS, we need to permanently remove that old password so you do not get locked out again. Navigate to your Security Settings tab and select the Supervisor Password option. It will ask for your current password, so type in the master password you just used from the website and hit enter. When the system asks for a new password and asks you to confirm it, simply leave those fields completely blank. Just hit enter for the new password, and hit enter again to confirm the blank fields. This clears the supervisor password status, meaning your BIOS password is gone forever, and you can access these settings whenever you want. Finally, press F10 or navigate to the Exit tab to save your changes and exit the BIOS. If you ever need to set a new password later for Secure Boot or TPM, you can simply return to these security settings and enter a brand new password. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.